Introducing the CHiQ 86-litre 2-door bar fridge, the perfect compact solution for your home, office or entertainment space. With a 3-star energy rating, it delivers reliable cooling while keeping energy costs low. The sleek black design adds a modern fashionable touch, and with the reversible door, you can easily adjust the door opening direction to suit your kitchen layout. Inside the freezer, you'll find 25 litres of real storage space, capable of reaching -18 degrees Celsius for safe long-term food preservation. And the plastic door guard maximises usable space, making every inch count. And the fridge section offers 61 litres of storage, illuminated by bright LED lighting so everything is easy to see. We've got one adjustable glass shelf for flexible storage, 2 door shelves for everyday items, and a covered crisper to keep fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. The large bottom shelf is designed to hold milk and 2-litre beverage bottles with ease. Compact, stylish and practical, the CHiQ 86-litre 2-door bar fridge CTM085DB is the smart choice for modern homes. Improve your life with CHiQ.